Where is the headquarters of the United Nations, UN, located? A. Geneva, Switzerland. B. New York, USA. C. Paris, France. D. Vienna, Austria. Correct answer is B. New York, USA. Which is the longest railway platform in India? A. Gorakhpur Junction. B. Kharagpur Junction. C. Kollam Junction. D. Habali Junction. Correct answer is D. Habali Junction. What is the name of the deepest ocean trench in the world? A. Tonga Trench. B. Kuril-Kamchatka Trench. C. Mariana Trench. D. Philippine Trench. Correct answer is C. Mariana Trench. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? A. C. V. Raman. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Mother Teresa. D. Amartya Sen. Correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. When is National Science Day observed every year? A. January 28. B. February 28. C. March 28. D. April 28. Correct answer is B. February 28. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? A. Kavaratti. B. Port Blair. C. Daman. D. Silvassa. Correct answer is A. Kavaratti. When is National Voters' Day observed in India? A. January 25th. B. February 25th. C. March 25th. D. April 25. Correct answer is A. January 25. When is National Science Day observed every year? A. January 28. B. February 28. C. March 28. D. April 28. Correct answer is B. February 28. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? A. Kavaratti. B. Port Blair. C. Daman. D. Silvassa. Correct answer is A. Kavaratti. When is National Voters' Day observed in India? A. January 25th. B. February 25th. C. March 25th. D. April 25. Correct answer is A. January 25. Where is the famous Sun Temple of Konark located? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Odisha. Who inaugurated the One Nation One Port initiative recently? A. Narendra Modi. B. Nitin Gadkari. C. Piyush Goyal. D. Mansukh Mandaviya. Correct answer is D. Mansukh Mandaviya. How many players are there in a football team? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. D. 12. Correct answer is C. 11. What is the name of the dance form associated with Kerala? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kathak. C. Kuchipudi. D. Mohiniyattam. Correct answer is D. Mohiniyattam. What is the name of the trophy awarded in Test cricket between India and Australia? A. Ashes Trophy, B. Border Gavaskar Trophy, C. Sir Frank Worrell Trophy, D. Pataudi Trophy. Correct answer is B. Border Gavaskar Trophy. When is International Labour Day celebrated? A. April 1st, B. May 1st, C. June 1st, D. July 8th. Correct answer is B. May 8th. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic medal? A. K.D. Jadhav, B. Milkha Singh, C. P.T. Usha, D. Leander Paes. Correct answer is A. K.D. Jadhav. When is World Water Day celebrated? A. March 22nd, B. April 22nd, C. May 22nd, D. June 22. Correct answer is A. March 22. When is National Youth Day celebrated in India? A. January 12th, B. February 12th, C. March 12th, D. April 12. Correct answer is A. January 12. Which of the following countries does Thailand not share its land border with? A. Myanmar, B. Laos, C. Cambodia, D. Malaysia, E. Vietnam. Correct answer is E. Vietnam. What is the IUCN status of the African cheetah? A. Endangered, B. Critically endangered, C. Vulnerable, D. Extinct. Correct answer is C. Vulnerable.